So, you've just discovered working out and find out that you can't even do a single push-up. Well, don't worry, because I was in a similar situation last year. In January, I also discovered working out and about self-improvement the first time from YouTube, and then I decided that I will start exercising seriously and found out that I couldn't even do one push-up. I got my first push-up in a few weeks, and I'm going to share a plan with you with which I got my first push-up and now you will get yours too. Alright, no bullshit, let's start with a plan. You are going to follow a series of steps which you will follow for weeks from now on for unlocking your first push-up. Step 1. Do push-ups somewhere high enough. For example, you can do push-ups on a balcony railing, like in the clip shown here. It doesn't need to be a railing, but something that's high enough, that is above your waist at least, so that you can do at least 8 to 20 push-ups there. Start with doing 100 push-ups for now, so that you'll get used to the movement and it will help you a lot. Moving on with step 2. So in the step 1 you are doing 100 push-ups with hopefully sets of at least 5, and where you can do 20 to 25 or more push-ups on the railing or whatever platform you've chosen. Then move on to something lower on which you can do 8 to 20 again. For example, like a table or the kitchen platform like I did in the clip here. That's just an example, you can use any platform but make sure it's lower than the one before, and you can only do maximum 8 to 20 reps in that. Step 3. So continue this process, then you can do 20 to 25 or more push-ups in any platform. Move on to the next one, do 20 to 25 or more push-ups in this one. Move on to the next one, keep on lowering it till you get to the floor and you do your first push-up. These are called incline push-ups, and these are really helpful for unlocking my first push-up. At least it took me at max 2 months to get it. Even after you get your first push-up, you can't just train with that one single push-up. That's not gonna cause any fatigue. So I would recommend you to still do incline push-ups till you can do 4 to 5 at least on floor push-ups. And even with that, when you're on your 5th rep or your last rep, after you did it, just continue with knee push-ups and do 1 or 2 more. That way you'll get more fatigue in each set and it will grow your chest and make it stronger faster. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Go do some push-ups, bro.